Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on top 10 quick service restaurants worldwide. At number 10 with a brand value of $5.3 billion is Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons is a restaurant chain for fast food that serves in many countries. It is based in Canada. The chain provides donuts, coffee and various fast food items. It is the biggest fast food chain in its country of origin. By December 2018, it had set up a total of 4,846 outlets in 14 nations. It is owned by Restaurants Brand International, a holding company also based in Canada. In 1964, it was established by Jim Sherrod and Canadian hockey star Tim Horton. They had started off by building outlets that served hamburgers. Moving on to number 9, with a brand value of $5.9 billion is Taco Bell. Taco Bell is a fast food firm that was set up in the US. It was established in California by Glenn Bell in 1962. The chain is owned by Yum Brands now. Its outlets provide many types of Mexican-style dishes. Some of these are nachos, quesadillas, burritos, tacos, etc. There are also some specialty and novelty food items. In addition, the chain provides various value menu items. By 2018, Taco Bell was catering to upwards of 1 billion customers per annum. In 2016, Taco Bell tried something ambitious. It set up an outlet that was made up of 5 cargo shipping containers. This feat was done for South by Southwest, the famous Texas Music Festival. At number 8 is Burger King. Burger King is a global fast food chain. It specializes in hamburgers. It is based out of Miami, Florida in the US. It was established in 1953 under the name of Insta Burger King. In the 50 years that follow, the brand saw 4 different owners. Burger King underwent a merger with Tim Hortons. The latter is based out of Canada and specializes in donuts. The Canadian firm Restaurant Brands International owns both chains. Burger King now serves more than just milkshakes, sodas, french fries and burgers. Its offerings are more diverse and numerous. The first significant change in the menu came in 1957. That year, the now famous Whopper was introduced. Burger King also owns a franchise in Australia called Hungry Jack's. It is the only franchise that functions with a separate brand name. It is a result of a trademark disagreement between the two brands. The dispute had escalated to multiple legal battles. Moving on to number 7 is Chipotle. Chipotle is a fast food chain based out of the US. It has many casual fast food outlets which serve burritos and tacos. These orders are made right in front of the customer. The name comes from chipotle. It is a word given to dried smoked jalapenos. It was established on July 13th of 1993. Its founder is Steve Ells. The chain had 16 outlets in Colorado by 1998. That is when McDonald's Corporation started putting in money to back the firm. McDonald's and Chipotle parted ways in 2006. By now, the brand had more than 500 locations. Moving on to number 6, that is Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut is a worldwide fast food chain based in the US that was established in 1958 in Wichita, Kansas. Its founders are Frank and Dan Carney. Now it has multiple international franchisees. The brand is owned by Yum Brands. It is amongst the biggest restaurant firms in the world. It serves pizza along with various types of Italian-American food items. Some of these are desserts, side dishes and pasta. By the end of 2019, Pizza Hut had set up about 18,703 outlets worldwide. As far as total number of locations is concerned, Pizza Hut is the biggest pizza chain globally. Moving on, Pizza Hut is split into several different restaurant formats. The original family-style dine-in location, storefront delivery and carry-out locations, and hybrid locations that have carry-out, delivery and dine-in options. In fact, some full-size Pizza Hut locations have a lunch buffet with an all-you-can-eat pizza, salad, desserts and breadsticks and a pasta bar. At number 5 is Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza is a global chain of restaurant brands in the US. Specializing in pizza, it was set up in 1960. Pizza is its main food item. It offers multiple variants in custom, specialty as well as classic pizzas. The restaurant also offers different types of toppings and crust. Domino's began offering pizzas made in artisan style in 2011. In addition, it expanded its menu with oven-baked sandwiches, bread bowls, and pasta. The list of food items now included bread and chicken sides along with desserts and beverages. By September 2018, Domino's Pizza had set up outlets in 84 nations other than the United States. This includes lesser-known places like Northern Cyprus, Cayman Islands, and Kosovo. The chain reached a landmark of more than 1,000 restaurants in India by 2016. At number 4 is Subway, with a brand value of $13.7 billion. Subway is a fast food chain based in the US. Its specialties are submarine sandwiches, also called subs. It is also known for its beverages and salads. Its menu also included baked items such as muffins, donuts, cookies, and also paninis and wraps. Subway gives a host of options for toppings. Its customers can select the toppings they would prefer on their subs. Subway changes the food item it offers according to the nation it is in. It is the fastest growing franchise in the world and as of June 2021 had at about 37,500 locations in more than 100 countries and territories. Subway's most popular sub is a BMT, which stands for Biggest, Meatiest and Tastiest. Its ingredients include ham, salami and pepperoni. The initial name stood for Brooklyn Manhattan Transit. At number 3 with a brand value of $16.5 billion is KFC. KFC is a fast food restaurant chain based out of Louisville, Kentucky in the States. KFC is a short form for Kentucky Fried Chicken. It is well known for serving fried chicken. It is owned by Yum Brands. Colonel Sanders established a chain of restaurants. He was an entrepreneur who started selling fried chicken out of his roadside restaurant. He began his business in Kentucky when the Great Depression was underway. Cardboard buckets are used to hand out bigger servings of chicken pieces. It is a trademark feature of the chain since 1957. KFC is known for its slogan, "Finger licking good." Nobody does chicken like KFC, and so good. Pressure fried chicken pieces are KFC's original product. These undergo seasoning with Sanders' recipe of 11 spices and herbs. The spices and herbs used for the recipe are a trade secret. At number 2, with a brand value of $47.7 billion is Starbucks. Starbucks Corporation is an international coffee house chain. It is based out of Seattle, Washington in the States. The chain consists of roastery reserves and coffee houses. Starbucks locations serve hot and cold drinks including coffee, Teavana tea products, juices, beverages, pastries and snacks. Most of its outlets have free Wi-Fi, but this is based on which nation it is in. It is the biggest chain in the world as far as coffee houses are concerned. As of September 2020, the company had about 32,660 stores in 83 countries, including 16,500 company-operated stores and the rest being licensed stores. Many caricatures have been made of Starbucks. Its logo has also been mimicked. Starbucks does not shy away from suing those it deems to be infringing on its intellectual property. In fact, it happened in Russia in 1997 when Starbucks registered its trademark. However, until 2002, it did not open any store. A Russian lawyer took advantage of the situation and filed a request to terminate the trademark granted to Starbucks, and in fact, he was successful in doing so. Following that termination of the trademark, he then registered the name with the local Moscow-based firm, post which he tried to leverage the move by asking for $600,000 to sell the trademark back to the coffee giant. Ultimately, in 2005, he was ruled against for doing so. And at number 1, with a brand value of $129 billion, is McDonald's. McDonald's is a global leader of restaurant chains in terms of income. It has been serving over 70 million customers daily in more than 100 countries across 39,000 outlets as of 2020. McDonald's is famous for its French fries, cheeseburgers, and hamburgers. The chain also serves desserts, wraps, milkshakes, soft drinks, breakfast items, and chicken-based food items. McDonald's Corporation earns its money from the royalties and rents. Some income also comes from sale in restaurants that the firm manages. McDonald's was established in 1940 by Morris and Richard McDonald. In 1955, Ray Kroc, a businessman, came aboard the firm. He began as a franchise agent. Later on, he managed to buy the chain from McDonald's brother, thus being the man responsible for turning McDonald's into a global fast food behemoth it is today. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on top 10 quick service restaurants. These are the list of sources and links referred to for the content in the video. Thank you and see you in the next video.